Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Kit, and if you're new here, this is the place where every day we work on making your English a little better, one simple step at a time. If you're new here, please subscribe, like, and comment on my YouTube channel if you enjoy this video. So, quick check-in. How did week 1 go for you? If you've been watching movies or listening to podcasts and trying to understand them without translating everything in your head, even if it felt a little hard at first, that's totally normal, and you're already on the right track. In today's video, we're going to do two things. First, I'll quickly recap everything we covered in week 1 about learning English from movies and podcasts. No translation needed. And then, we'll do a short self-talk exercise together, just a couple of minutes, to help this mindset really stick with you. All right, let's jump right in. Hello and welcome back. This week, we discussed a very important skill: learning English through movies and podcasts, without translating into your own language. Let's recap what we learned. Point 1. Stop the habit of translating. When we look for the Urdu, or native language translation of every word in our mind, the brain slows down. Understanding English directly in English is the first real step toward fluency. Point 2. Extracting meaning from context. You don't need to know the dictionary meaning of every word. By watching the scene, listening to the tone, and understanding the situation, we can discover the meaning of words on our own. Point 3. Listen to short clips repeatedly. Watching a whole movie once is less useful than listening to a 2 to 3 minute clip 4 to 5 times. The first time to understand it, and the next times for shadowing. Point 4. English subtitles, not native language subtitles. If needed, use English subtitles so that both your eyes and ears are processing English, without translation getting in between. Point 5. The shadowing technique. Speaking along with the actor or speaker, copying their tone, pauses, and rhythm. This doesn't just teach vocabulary, it also teaches natural flow. That was our week 1 recap. Now let's do a short self-talk exercise, which will help lock this mindset into place. Let's close our eyes, or simply relax. Now I'll say a few sentences. Repeat them from your heart to yourself. This is your own internal commitment. Leave a short pause after each line. Say, I will try to understand English in English itself. When I don't understand a word, I won't panic. I'll try to figure out its meaning from context. I will listen to at least one short clip every day to understand and to shadow. Making mistakes is part of learning. I will be patient with myself. Every day, I am a little better than the day before. I am in control of my own English journey. No shortcuts, only consistency. Now open your eyes and take a deep breath. These words aren't just words. They will become your everyday mindset. Whenever you watch a movie or listen to a podcast, remember them. That was our week 1 recap and self-talk exercise. Next week, we'll learn which movies and podcasts are best for beginners and how to structure your listening for maximum benefit. Until then, keep practicing a little every day. Consistency is the real secret. If you liked this video, please subscribe, like, and comment on my YouTube channel if you enjoyed this video.